Oh oui, oh oui. It's so beautiful. No, so... Oh, look at these birds. How could it be? Huh? Ah, maybe there is warm there. Ah. Oh, oui, oui, you are right. I thought there's a lot there. It's a fountain thing. Ah, the birds are around those bushes, my cherry. There. We need to move a little bit closer. Oh my God, yes. Don't shower me with the leaves. Yeah, the birds are there. They are finding shelter by the plants in the middle of the lake. We need to move closer. There. Some also are swimming in the middle, but it's too far. Cannot that see. The weather today is so gloomy. Yeah, a little bit cloudy. Might rain tonight. This one is to where this mini house storage for the one who's maintaining the water pump. Yeah. This one everybody can go there, but I am afraid because in case I will fall down, the water is super cold. I might get freeze to that. Kidding, but it's really cold. Make sure don't fall down. Don't fall down backward. Yeah, the colorful leaves are bye-bye. What is this statue, mon chéri?
Looks like imaginary body, I think.
Away.
With 2 legs, 2 arms, and a head.
Away, you are right. And just like a heart in the middle.
Right,
Imaginary flower with a flower head. Super cool. The imaginary friend. And what is this? Yeah. No more. Here during summertime or spring, it's so beautiful. The flowers. And what are those kind of flowers again, Moncheri? What kind of those flowers? Yeah, it's a lot of cherry blossom during summertime here. Prawns. Yeah, but since already winter is here, autumn season is almost finished, so no more. It's all kalbo na. Yeah.